We've had some challenges, but I believe by and large we've had a successful year.
That is how Bexar County District Attorney Joe Gonzalez sees 2023. Last year, his office dealt with a wave of attorneys leaving, attacks from the San Antonio Police Officers Association, and we saw several surprising case dismissals and plea deals.
After repeated requests, Erica Hernandez finally sat down with the DA to get his take on the first year of his second term.
So help me God.
What looked like a promising start to a second term quickly took a turn for District Attorney Joe Gonzalez and his office. There was an influx of employees leaving, victims' families unhappy with how their cases were resolved. The chief of police and the San Antonio Police Unions Association criticized the handling of habitual offenders, a backlog of unindicted cases, and an increase in dismissed cases. Time and time again, Gonzalez wasn't available for an interview. But during an availability to talk about property crimes, we switched the subject to ask overall how 2023 was for his office.
We've had the highest murder conviction rate that we've had in the last 12 years. We have an over 90% conviction rate on our felony DWIs. We continue to work hard.
As far as dismissals and plea deals, Gonzalez says those are tough decisions, but necessary ones.
If we roll the dice and lose and that person is acquitted, he walks out the door. So oftentimes, accepting a plea deal of 25 or 30 years on something that may end up with an acquittal is not the optimum outcome, but it's the best that we can get for that particular case.
25 years, 30 years, is that enough for a person's life?
I always put myself in the situation, how would I feel if that was me, if that was my daughter that was a victim of a murder, if that was my wife that had been assaulted. So yes, it is a very tough thing to do, but unfortunately that comes with the territory. That's part of my job.
Gonzalez did say his office was trying to do a better job to communicate with victims' families.
We're trying to be as transparent as possible, to be as receptive to anybody that has any questions about the status of their case.
As for what's ahead in 2024,
we hope what is ahead is that we further reduce the crime that we see in Bexar County and in San Antonio. We hope for greater collaboration with law enforcement. We hope that we can work better with our law enforcement partners and with our court partners in order to do our job more effectively.
Erica Hernandez, KSAT 12 News.